Zian Wind, Laerskool Bakenkop, Grade 4, Orators Experience, Gauteng. Topic, video games. Theme, you say gaming is bad, let me press X to doubt that. My mom says video games will rot my brain, but she's watched 17 seasons of Grey's Anatomy and still can't find the remote. Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's real life. Every gamer has heard it. Stop wasting time with that controller. But science, psychology, and a little bit of common sense all agree. Video gaming isn't ruining us. In fact, it's training us to thrive in the 21st century. Let me explain why pressing play might actually be the smartest move we make. Firstly, we gain cognitive benefits because gamers train their brains. Dr. Bailey Shirani from the University of Vermont wrote the article. Video gaming may be associated with better cognitive performance in children, published on 24 October 2022 for the NIH website. They found, according to this study, that children who played video games performed better on cognitive tasks involving memory, attention, and decision making. While you're solving puzzles and dodging your enemies, your brain is getting a real workout without a sweat of the gym. Secondly, we get some stress relief. Gaming is therapy, but cheaper. Dr. Gustavo Tondela from the University of Waterloo co-wrote the article, The Effectiveness of Gaming Reducing Stress. A meta-analysis published on 22 June 2022 for the Journal of Medical Internet Research, Serious Games website. He said that casual and moderate video games use is associated with low stress levels, improved mood, and even therapeutic benefits in mental health. Because when life gets tough, gamers don't break down, they just respawn. That's right, gaming can be a digital hug for your brain. Lastly, the gamified learning is a fun-filled school. Professor Dusan Stasic from the University of Belgrade wrote the article, Gamification in Education, published on 18 February 2023 for the Educationist Scientist Journal on NDPI's website. He said that educational video games increase subjects like mathematics and science. So technically, when we're building in Minecraft, we're actually doing homework. Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, I conclude with the following. It is game over for misconceptions. Let's face it, video games makes us smarter, calmer, and even better students. And all those people who said we'd amount to nothing because we played Fortnite, they're still trying to open Excel. So the next time someone tells you gaming's a waste of time, press X to doubt that. Tell them, I'm not just gaming, I'm growing. Game over? Not even close. While mom searches for her remote control, I'll use mine and press play because it's game on for me.